Let's just get this out of the way first. Have you ever looked at code and thought, wow, that looks like a secret language only a genius could understand? Yeah, a lot of people feel that way. But what if that whole idea is just wrong?
I want you to imagine something else. What if learning to code wasn't like cracking a secret code at all? What if it was more like opening a magical box of Legos? You know, a special set where the pieces let you build literally anything you can dream up. That feeling? That's what Java is all about.
Okay, so let's do it. Let's open up that box and take a look at our first couple of superpowers. These are the basics, the smart bricks that are going to be the foundation for everything we build.
Java's very first superpower is it's simple, by design. While some languages feel like you're learning a secret code with all these complicated, tricky rules, Java feels more like Lego instructions with simple, clear pictures. It was built to get rid of all that extra complexity, so you can just focus on the fun stuff, building cool things way faster.
And that brings us to this idea of smart bricks, which is superpower number 2. Java is object-oriented. Now think about your Lego box. You've got pieces that just know what they do, right? A wheel knows how to spin. A door knows how to open. Well, in Java, every bit of code is an object that knows what it is and what it can do. And you build these massive, amazing programs just by snapping these smart objects together. It's brilliant.
All right, so we've got our smart bricks. We know how to put them together. Now for the real magic trick. This next set of powers is all about how your awesome creation can go from just your computer to pretty much any device in the world, safely and securely.
You've probably heard this phrase before. It's Java's most famous motto, its most legendary superpower. Write once, run anywhere. But what does that actually mean?
So here's how the magic works. You write your program just one time. That's it. Then, this little helper called the Java Virtual Machine, or JVM for short, acts like a magic translator. And this translator lives on all kinds of devices. Your Windows laptop, your friend's Mac, the Android phone in your pocket. It takes your one piece of code and makes sure it runs perfectly everywhere. No changes needed. That is a total game changer.
Now, of course, if your code is going to run everywhere, you have to be able to trust it. And that leads us to superpower number 4, security. Java basically creates a safe digital playroom for its programs. There's something called a security manager that's like a friendly but very strict guard, making sure the program doesn't do anything it shouldn't, like snooping around in your private files. This is a huge reason why big companies trust Java with their most important stuff.
Okay, on to our final set of superpowers. See, it's not enough for your creations to be simple and safe. They also need to be fast, strong, and, well, smart. These are the powers that take a project from good to truly amazing.
Superpower number 5 is that Java is robust. You know that feeling when you have a really cool but fragile toy and it just breaks the second you drop it? Java is the total opposite. It's like a super strong toy that's built to handle mistakes and just keep on going. And for important apps, that is absolutely crucial.
So what does robust actually mean when you're coding? Well, Java is fantastic at handling errors. So if you accidentally tell a program to do something impossible, like, say, divide a number by 0, it doesn't just crash and burn. Nope, it catches the mistake gracefully and allows the program to keep running smoothly. You can see why this is a lifesaver for something like a banking app, right? One little error can't be allowed to take the whole system down.
Oh, now this one might be my favorite, multi-threading. And the best way to think about it is with our friend, the Octopus Chef. Seriously, picture an octopus making a sandwich. It can chop veggies, spread mayo, and toast bread all at the same time with its different arms. Java programs can do that too. They can handle multiple tasks at once. It's how a video game can show amazing graphics, play background music, and run the computer's strategy all at the same time without skipping a beat.
And that brings us to our final superpower, number 7, high performance. Think of this one like a Speedy Runner. While your Java program is doing its thing, a little helper called the just-in-time compiler, or JIT compiler, is watching in the background. It sees which parts of your code get used over and over, and it makes those parts run extra fast. So it's not just about being fast, it's about being intelligently fast, right where it counts.
So there you have it, the 7 incredible superpowers packed inside that magical Lego box. We've taken a good look inside, but you know, the most important question is still out there. What are you going to do with them? Let's do a quick-fire recap, all right? We've got simple, so it's easy to get started. Object-oriented, so you're building with smart bricks. Platform-independent, our write once, run anywhere magic. Secure, giving you that safe playroom for your code. Robust, the super strong toy that doesn't break easily. Multithreaded, our amazing Octopus Chef. And finally, high performance, thanks to that Speedy Runner. At the end of the day, these superpowers prove that coding isn't some secret language for geniuses. It's just a powerful, really accessible set of tools. It's a box of magical Legos just waiting for someone to start building. Waiting for you. So I'll leave you with this one thought. Now that you've had a peek inside this incredible toolbox, now that you've seen all the superpowers it holds, what will you build?